Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use Hubstaff Time Tracker. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.hubstaff.com on your web browser and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the Hubstaff menu, we're going to set our focus on the dashboard. From here, you would see this little timer on the top left corner of your screen. Simply click on that. This would be the time tracker for your Hubstaff. Now, select a project from here. And then, select a to-do list. Now, once you set this, simply click on this play button right here, and this will automatically set the time from when you start, and you're simply gonna go back here and stop the time when you're finished on your task. Please keep in mind that the reason why I cannot click on this because I am currently an admin or an employer on this Hubstaff account. But if you're an employee, you can easily click on here and stop when you are done. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!